Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 common time idioms in English. Number 1, in the nick of time. It means arriving or finishing just before it's too late to avoid a problem. Example, the firefighter rescued the cat in the nick of time before the flames spread. Number 2, on the dot. It means something happening exactly on schedule without any delay. Example, the train arrived at 9 a.m. on the dot, so we didn't have to wait. Number 3, turn back the hands of time. It means a wish to reverse time and change past events. Example, after the argument, she wished she could turn back the hands of time. Number 4, time and tide wait for no man. It means time moves forward relentlessly and no one can stop it. Example, don't procrastinate on your studies, time and tide wait for no man. Number 5, time is money. It means time is valuable and wasting it is like losing money. Example, let's skip the small talk. Time is money in this meeting. Number 6, live on borrowed time. It means continuing to live or exist longer than expected, often after danger. Example, after the accident, the doctor said he's living on borrowed time. Number 7, race against the clock. It means hurrying to complete something before time runs out. Example, the team worked through the night in a race against the clock to meet the deadline. Number 8, at the 11th hour. It means doing something at the very last possible moment. Example, she finished her homework at the 11th hour and barely made it to class. Number 9, make up for lost time. It means doing something extra quickly to recover time previously wasted. Example, after being sick for a week, he studied all weekend to make up for lost time. Number 10, behind schedule. It means running late or delayed from the planned timeline. Example, the project is behind schedule due to unexpected weather delays. Whew! We just raced through 10 awesome time idioms together. If you want more idiom adventures, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for daily English fun with me. See you next time.